I remember finding your YouTube video and I was like, oh, this is the guy. He gets it. He's been through it. I remember you telling your story and I was like, that sounds very relatable. And even after I joined the program, maybe 2, 3 weeks, I was like, help me, Toby, give me the answers. And you said over and over, I can't do it for you. Nobody
Mhm.
can. And the responsibility is really on the person to take their health into their own hands and use support networks for sure. But at the end of the day, you're responsible. It's your life. So
Yeah.
take care of it.
We say now in our Kickstarter calls every month to all our new members who join. And so one of the things we say is if it's to be, it's up to me, it's up to you. We're going to give you everything that can possibly help you. And
Yeah.
also, you need to meet us halfway and do it. And one of the things, don't reach out and say, Toby, can you just make the smoothie for me and make me drink it? Can you go and do the movement for me? Can you go and do the mindset work for me? Can you just show up to the
Right.
calls for me? No, I will not drink your smoothie for you. I'll not make your smoothie for you. You got to do that stuff yourself. We have a bit of a joke about it and we have a good laugh. Again, it's a journey of self-empowerment. I don't know if you ever saw this. Did you ever see our model? No. Okay. So we have a model inside the program, which is the 4 levels of readiness for recovery model. And
Okay.
the 4 stages of this, at the lower red zone stage, it's giving up. And that's where you read on the Harvard website that said there's no options. When you read stuff like that, you want to quit. You think it's not possible for you. And you're in that place of just feeling like giving up. And there's a lot of fear and isolation there. The second zone up from that is the hoping stage. And that's where we're second guessing ourselves and we're self sabotage. We're jumping on the plane to the next specialist and trying that magic pill that he might or she might give me. And then from there, we go to the seeking stage. And that's where we know that it's possible to get better, but we believe that it's someone or something outside of ourselves that will fix the problem. And that's where you're coping, you're consumed, and you're always feeling tested. It's like the hope roller coaster. You go, oh,
Yeah.
yes. Oh, it's going to be amazing. And then the roller coaster goes back down. It's like, oh, shit, it's not working. What do I do
Right.
now?
Yeah.
And then the
Right.
last stage, and this is the best stage and really the only stage that recovery is possible in, which is the owning stage. And the owning stage says inner certainty, self-led, true you. And this is what I love about these success interviews is because every single person that jumps on one, we hear that. We hear that through your voice. We hear the inner certainty. We hear that self-led, that leadership within yourself. Okay, what's right for me? What do I need to do? What can I do to improve myself? We also feel that true you, that you being true to yourself and that feeling of I'm okay to be me and I'm okay to say no and be true to myself. And in the dark green zone, the owning stage, we know that the body heals itself if you do the right things at the right time.
Yeah.
We just need to do them.